love when Elliot talks, Cecily? Me too. Wow, Elliot. A lot of pressure on you. We're like, oh, Cecily's crying. Better get Elliot and have him talk to her and look at her. That's what she likes. She likes Elliot talking to her and looking at her. Do you love your big brother, Cecily? You really do, don't you? Cecily!
What'd she do?
She smacked Elliot in the face.
No.
She was so excited to see you, she didn't know what to do. Oh, it's okay, Cecily. You didn't mean to. You're just a baby. She was just, I think she was maybe trying to hug you. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe just touch you.
Yeah, touch.
But she slapped you. That was sort of silly.